Jump ball between number 16 and number 5. Number 10. Moving the ball. Number 10 goes over. Pass to number 16. Out of bounds. Save ball. 16. Pass to number 9. Naghahanap ng mga basahan. Pass to number 31. Setting the play. Number 31. Takes and shoot. Number 12 for 3. Very good. Even with number 14. Pass to number 3. Out ball. If you set the play. Pass to play line. Layup. Very good. Even with number 10. Number 10 sa batak ball. Number 10 goes over. Number 10 pass to number 12. Very good. Even with number 10. 2 points to number 10. Number 5. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 14, tumira sa gitna. No good, rebound by number 10. Number 10, pass to number 12 at the ground. Bound ball. Number 2. Number 18. Naglalabas ng bola. Pass to number 3. Naghahanap ng play. Number 3. Number 3, pass to Bongay. Bongay, number 25, sumalang sa layup. Acrobatic shot, wala, nakuha ni number 16. 16, pass to, naagawan ni number 40. Number 40, tumalaksak bahagya, 2 points by number 40. Number 9, pass to number 16, back to number 9. Hinabot niya ng dalawa, naagawan ni number 3. Number 3, isip basket sana pero nawala. Isa pa ulit, 2 points by number 3. Number 10. Ginabantay, ginadalawa, crossover. Number 10. Ang dami buwabantay. At the bar. Bola ng pa-um. Time out, Amix 41. Back to the ball game. Bola pa ng paung. Paung ball. Number 3. Setting the play. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 5. Naghahanap mga basahan. Pinasa kay number 14. 18. Pass to number 14. Tinira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 12. 12. 12. Pass to number 31. Back to number 12. Nakagawa na number 18. Number 18. Tumalaksak. Layup. No good. Dito mo number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Tumedire-diretso. Pass to number 10. 2 points by number 10. Number 14. Pass to number 3. Nagbababa ng bola. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 25. Sa gilid. Number 25. Big ball. Number 5. Inbounding the ball. Pass to number 40. Wow. Good ball. Number 16. Number 16 foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Blocked by number 18. Number 9, inaagawan ng bola, pass to number 31. Number 31, nagbababa ng bola, pass to number 10. Number 10, alley-oop play by number 16. Number 3. Number 3. Setting the play, number 3. Pass to number 25. 25, crossover. Nawala ang bola. Napunta kay number 3. Number 3. Number 3, sumalaksak. Pass to number. Turnover. Time out. Time out. Paun. Fighting. Good. Back to the ball game. Bola po ng Annex 41. Number 10, inbounding the ball. Pass to number 9. Back to number 10. Number 12. Nakawala sa bantay, number 12. Dinadalawa. Pass to number 10. Number 10, crossover. Number 10, sumalaksak. Nawala ang bola, nakuha pa rin. 2 points for number 10. Number 3. Number 3. Crossover, naagawan. Pero nakuha niya ulit. Pass to number 25. Number 25, sumalaksak. Foul! Who's foul red? 16 foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Free throw masuk. Pangalawang second throw, papasok kaya. Masok pa rin. Dalawang tira pumasok. Substitution. 513 team. Number 3 out. Number 4 out of bounds. Sub-rep, sub-rep, sub-rep. 22 in, 9 out. Sub-sub, 23 in, 31 out. Number 530. 513, pass to number 80. Back to 530. Ang dami mong numero Number 25, sumasayaw. Pass to kalaban, number 10. Number 10, umaatake, number 10. Foul! Foul number 25. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot. First shot. Pasok. Pangalawang tira. Sablay. Ribbon ni Kuya. Paso number 531. At 513. Paso number 25. Back to 513. 513. Inaagaw ni John. Paso number 25 to Meke. 30 tira. Sobra na kaya number 10. Paso number 12. Lumawadali. Number 12. Layup. No good. Rebound number 25. Inaagaw na number 12. Number 12. Inaagaw na number 25. Paso number 31. Paso number 16. 16. Wala na kani. Rebound number 18. 18. Paso 530. 530. Inaagawan. Paso. Red blood. Substitution. Number 18, 25 out. Bola po ng Annex 41. 22 inbounding the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 10, naagaw ni number 18. Layup, no good. Di ba number 22? 22, pinababa ang bola. Number 22, pinababa ni number 18. Pass to number 10. Number 10, sumalaksak. Wow! 513. Number 16. 16. Pass to number 12. 12. Back to number 22. Thanks to to shoot. Number 12. Wala. Rebound by 5-3. Sumalaksak. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha number 22. 22. Pass to number 16. 16. 16. Layup. Wow. Number 18. First personal foul. Second team foul. Third team foul. Unang tira, sablay. Change shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 18. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Push over. Number 8. Pass to number 513. Change to shoot. Tumira na press. God bless. 10. Pass to 23. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Back to number 10. Titira ng 3 pero joke lang. Number 22. 10 to shoot. Number 16. Wow! Number 28. First personal foul. 40 fouls. 1 for penalty na po. Unang tira. Pasok. Change shot. Patak pa rin sa block. Number 12. Number 18 out. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Navarro. Pass to number 8. Number 14. Number 14. Number 8 to 3-point. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Tumira na press. No good. Rebound by number 12. Foul. Number 10. First personal foul. 13 fouls. Number 12. Pass to number 10. 8. Number 8. Back to number 12. Pass to 513. 513. Third saying to shoot. 513. 8 saying to shoot. Lumayap. 2 points by number 513. 23. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Back to number 22. Okay, number 10 sa 3-point. Wala, may mga 513. 513, tumakas sa laksak. 513, pass to number 12. Nabalas sa ilalim. Pass to number 8. For Brown. Wala po ng Annex 41. 23, inbounding the ball. Pass to number 22. 22. Back to number 23. 23, sumalaksak. Layup! Wala! Iba may number 14. 14, pass to 513. 513. 513, also over. 513 pa rin. Nagkarawa kasama sa number 8. Back to number 40. Sa 3. No good. Iba may number 22. 22. 22, also over. Binababa ang bola. Sumalaksak. 2 points. 14, naglalabas ng bola. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 513. 513. Titira na 3. Nagkaroon mga pasama sa number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to 10 seconds shoot. Number 14. Number 14. Annex 41 ball. 45 seconds na po ang natitira sa ating first quarter. Number 10. Pass to number 16. 16. 16, 2 points wala. Rebound by number 513. 513 nakagalan. 513 pa rin. 513. 513. 28 seconds. 513. Grabe yun. Ako libre number 14. Number 14 sa inanin. 20 seconds. Number 12, 15 seconds. Number 12, pass to number 10. Wala, dito ka number 14. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Wala na po wala. End of the first quarter. Goal! Score! All 13. Wala pong lamang, wala pong ano. Parehas lang. Back to the ball game. Second quarter na po. Bola po ng paung. Number 12. Pass to number 8. Number 8, taking the play. Pass to number 14 sa gilid. Number 14. Naghanap mga pasahan. Back to number 8 sa 3-point. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Diretso. Number 10. Number 10. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 16. 16 pass to number 9. 2 points. Rebound by number 16. Wow! Number 14, first personal foul. First shot, no good. Second shot. Counted yung pangalawang tira ni number 16. Number 12, nagbababa ng bola. Number 12. Naghanap ng mga basahan. Pass to number 513. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 16. 16. Pass to number 22. 22. Back to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Back to number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Sa 3-point. Wala. Rebound by number 14. 14. Pass to number 513. Pass to number 12. Sa gilid. Number 12. 14. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Crossover. Pinabatan number 12. Pass to number 23. 22. Pass to number 9 sa 3-point. 3-point by number 9. 40. Pass to number 18. 18. Ay, number 8. Pass to number 14. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 22. Number 22, binabantayan ni number 12. 22. Pass to number 8 sa gilid. 2 points. Wala. Nakuha din number 8. Number 8. Tumatakbo number 8. Tumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by number 513. 513. Pass to number 14. Asaul sa 3-point. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 22. Nakuha ni number 18. Pass to 513. Alley play. Number 14. Nakabrotas din si number 14. Number 9. Pass to number 22. 22. Pass to number 16. Pumeke, tumira. No good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to 513. 513. Relax lang daw, sabi ni 513. 15 seconds to shoot. 513, naghahanap ng mga basa. Pass to number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Pass to number 18. No good. Rebound by number 14. Grabe. Kain na. Number 22. Pass to number 16. Number 8 sa 3. 3 points by number 8. Number 12. 513. Number 12. Pass to number 8. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 22. Foul! Number 10. Timeout, Annex 41. First personal foul. First team, second team foul. Annex 41 goal, foul yung number 12. Annex 41, foul yung number 12. Number 22. 22. Paso number 16 sa ilalim. Ang laki mo. Paso number 9. Tumira na 3. No good. Rebound by number 513. 513. Paso number 16. 16. Paso number 25. Foul. Number 16. Third person. Number 16. Third personal ka na. Third personal ka na. Number 16. Number 25, Borsi. Number 16, 22, 16, paso number 12. Number 8 na naman sa 3-point. Wala, rebound by number 3. Paso number 25. 25 pumatake. Traveling violation. Sub-rep. Bola ng Annex. Number 18 in. Number 16 out. Wait lang. Number 12. 12. Naghahanap ng mabasahan. Pass to number 8. Nagtatangang tumira ng 3 pero pass to number 22. Foul! Number 14. Second personal foul, third team foul. 2 shot. First shot. Second throw. Basket, ang pangalawang free throw. Number 3. Naghahanap ng mga basahan. Paso number 16, 18. Paso number 14. 14. Paso number 18. 18 pa rin. 25. 2 points. Number 12. Paso number 22. 22. Nagharap ng mga pasahan. Number 22. Umatake. Paso number 8 sa gilid. Number 8. Wala. Rebound number 25. Number 25. Diretso. Number 25. Grabe. Tuling mo. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Paso number 22. 22 tumira ng 3. Wala rin, may 5-on-3. 5-on-3. Paso number 25. 25 na naman. Umatake. Wala rin, may number 14. 14. Paso number 18. 2 points. Number 22 na talabas sa bola. Paso number 9. Paso number 22. Paso number 12. 12. Paso number 22. 22. Back to number 12, pass to number 8 na naman sa gilid. 3 points by number 8. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 513. 513. Step back to number 3. Number 3, pumingi. 2 points by number 3. Number 12. Number 12. Binabantayan, paso number 9. Number 9, tigilan ng 3 points. 3 points by number 9. Grabe yun. Number 3. Number 3. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. 5-on-3. 5-on-3. Paso number 3, 50 seconds to shoot. 5-1-3 sa 3-point. Wala rin po may number 25. 25, foul! Get the basket, may kasama pong foul! First personal foul, second team foul, ay first team foul. Bonus shot. Basket, ang bonus shot. Number 22. Number 22. Crossover. Pass to number 10. Sa 3-point. No good. Rebound number 3. Number 3. Nakagawa ni number 2. Nakuha na pa rin. Out of bounds. Ball ng Annex 41. Number 31. Pass to number 10. Nakaganda ng sapatos ni number 18. Number 25. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 25 pumatake. Number 25 pumenge. Pass to number 3. Take shoot. Number 3, 2 points pala. Remove by number 25. 25. Wow. Number 18. First personal foul. Third team foul. Centro. Number 16 in, number 18 out. Number 22, pass to number 16. 16, back to number 22. Number 22, pinababa ang bagya. Bumalik. Tumira ng 3. Foul! Number 3. First personal foul, 14 foul. 3 throw. First shot.
Kuya, dito ka kuya.
Pangalawang tira. Basket pa rin. Last throw ready. Stop. Number 15 in. Number 18 out. Number 3. Nagbababa ng bola, number 3. Number 3. Pass to 25. Take, shoot. 25. Tumira. 2 points. Acrobatic shot na naman si number 25. Number 10. Number 10. Nakawala sa dalawa. Pass to number 3. Back to number 31 sa 3. Bang! 3 points by number 31. 25. 25 na naman. Tumira. Wala. Hindi ba number 10? Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 12. Nice pass. Timeout. Paung. $37-33. Tumangko ang Annex ng 4. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 10 seconds na lang po ang natitira sa ating second quarter. Number 3, inbounding the ball. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 14 sa ilalim. Wait. Number 10. Pass to number 12. Good. Number 10. Pumeke. Lumay up. Rebound by number 14. 14 na agawan. Number 14. Binababa ang bola number 14. 30 seconds. 50 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Out of bounds. 26 seconds. Sixteen. 16. Pass to number 22. Number 10. Number 31 sa tres na naman. Wala. Di ba may number 12? Kinaban tayo yung number 12. 30 seconds. 5 seconds. Wala. Wala na po. Hirap na. Second quarter. 37-33. Naman po ang aming 41 ng apat. Back to the ball game. Alex 41 ball. Change court the ball. Number 8. Pass to 12. Pass to number 22. Back to number 12. Number 8. Pumegi sa 3. Tumira ng 2. Wala. Rebound ng 5-1-3. 5-1-3. Pass to number 25. Grabe. Binabaka. Number 16. 16. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Easy lang daw, sabi ng number 10. Pass to number 22 sa 3. No good. Diba mo number 14. Pass to number 25. 25, pinababa ang bola. Pass to number 5-1-3. 5-1-3, pass to number 18. 18. 18. Nagharap na mga pasahan. Back to number 5-1-3. 10 shoot. Number 5-1-3, crossover. Tumalaksak. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 25, no good. Rebound by number 15. 2 points by number 15. 16, pass to number 22. 22. Naagawan ng bola number 18. 22, pass to number 8. Number 8, nakita na naman ang buwit. Wala, rebound by number 15. 15, pass to number 25. 25, pass to number 14. Easy basket by number 14. 22. 22, pass to number 16. 16 tinira ng 2 points. Then number 16. 14, pass to number 5-1-3. 5-1-3. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 15. Nice pass sana. Di ba number 14? 14, pass to number 25. Foul. Number 16. Fourth personal foul na, number 16.
16 ah. Yung foul 16. Alright.
Bonus shot in number 25. Bonus shot lang yan, ha. Basket. 3-point play. Number 22. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 10. Back to number 22. 22. 22 sumalaksak. Wow! Number 15. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots. First row. Counted. Zero. Basket. Dalawa pumasok sa free throw. 5-on-3. Pass to number 25. 25 na naman. Umatake. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12. Dire-diretso. Number 12. Wait lang daw. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 22. 22, titira, pero pinasa. Kay number 10. Number 10. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. To shoot. Number 8. Tumira ng 3-point. Go good. Rebound. Paung ball. 7 minutes and 24 seconds. 5-on-3. 5-on-3. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 25. Number 25, na-rebound by number 10. Number 10, number 12, pass to number 18. Pass to number 15 sa kalaban. Number 15. Pass to number 25. Sa step, 25, 2 points. Grabe yun, hindi na papagod. 22. Pass to number 10. Number 10, bam! 5-1-3. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First shot. Basket. Zenko. Zenko. Not good. 14. Pass to 5-on-3. 5-on-3. Number 25 na naman. Number 25. Behind the back. Number 25. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Binabantayan ni number 10. Pass na 10 seconds to shoot. 5-on-3. Tumira na 3-point. Wala pa din. Rebound nilo. Alex. 41 ball. Number 10. Inalabas ng bola, pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Number 8 na naman sa 3-point. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 25. 25. Sinetreto number 25. Pass to number 15. Pumigay 2 points to number 15. Number 22. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 10. Libre. Nice pass. 14. Pass to 5-1-3. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 5-1-3. 5-1-3, pass to number 18. Back to 5-1-3, tumira na naman ang 3 point. Wala pa ngayon, lima ba number 15? Nawala ang bola, pinasa ka number 14. 14, pinasa sa labas. Substitution. Number 8 out, number 9 in. 18, naglalabas ng bola. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 22. 22. Relax lang daw muna. 22. Nagagawa na number 5-3. 50 seconds to shoot. 22. Pass to number 10. Number 10 sumalaksak. Foul! Who's foul? Number 15. Second personal foul. 30 foul. 18. Inbounding the ball. Pass to number 22. 22 layup. Basket. 25. 25 crossover. 25 sumalaksak. Wala. Liba man. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Rebound by number 25. 25. 18. Pass to number 5-3. 14 sa 3. 3 point by number 14. Number 10. Number 10. Also over. Grabe. Sumakay ka pa. Huwag ka lang malikot. 5-3. 5-3. Pass to number 14. 14 na naman sa 3 point. Wala. Same ball. Stop. Stop. 12 E. 25 out. Stop, stop. 5-3 out. Number 3. Number 3. Nagsiset ng play. Number 10 to shoot. Number 14 na naman sa 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 18. Solo rebound. Number 18. Nana all. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Cordero. Pass to number 10. Almacin. Wala. Rebound. Namama sa paa. Alex 41 ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 44 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Number 9, pumegi sa 3 point. Nawala ang bola. Outside. Bola na baum. Pasok sub. Number 12. Pass to number 3. Our ball. Number 3. Pass to Navarro sa 3 point. No good. Di ba number 18? Pero nakuha na number 28. Grabe yun. Number 28. 2 points by number 28, number 22. 22. Pinababa ang bola. 22. Pass to number 19. Nagawin number 21. Nakuha yung number 22. Foul! Basket! Who's the up? 3. Number 3. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Bonus shot. Number 12. Pass to number 25. Lumulopus, number 25. Foul. Number 10. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Sub ng bola. Number 12. Number 25, 2 points, foul. Number 10, pushing foul. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots. Yung bench po ng pong, coach lang tatayo dyan ha. Makikisuyo lang po. Second shot. Basket, yung pangalawa. 22, inbounding 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Number 10, pass to number 22, number 23. Number 93, number 25. Number 25, tumatakbo na naman, pass to number 12. Number 12. Number 25. Supay-pay number 23. Magagawa na bola. 23. Foul. Number 18. Second personal foul. Penalty. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Good. Arbol, number 3, also number 25. 25, Lumulopus. Tumira, naribal number 12. Number 12, pass to number 3. Number 3, 7 seconds to shoot. Number 12, 4 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 22. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning pa lang. Number 18. 18. Nagbababa ng bola number 18. Number 18 pass to number 28 sa 3 points. 3 points by number 28. Time out! Isa na lang po ang timeout nyo sa fourth quarter, Annex 41. Nakadalawang timeout na kayo sa third quarter. 1 minute and 30 seconds para sa ating third quarter. 53-57. Tatlo ka na, number 10. Number 10. Number 12. Back na number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Sumalaksak. Foul. Number 10. Warning for graduate ka na, number 10. Fourth foul ka na. Number 3, Arbol. Ready to play. Pass to number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. Back to number 3. Number 25. 25. Puri Persa. 25. 2 points. Number 12, warning for flopping. Number 10, pass to number 31, pass to number 12, same ball. Number 10, inbounding the ball, pass to number 12, number 12. Number 10, tumalaksak, foul! Who's foul left? Number 18, penalty. Number 18, tatlo ka na, third personal foul mo na yun. First shot, pasok. Second, counted. Pasok, dalawang free throw. 15 seconds. Number 12. Pass to number 3. Naghahanap ng mga basahan. Pass to number 25. 25. Pass to number 18. Foul! Get the basket. Make a foul for foul. Number 31. First personal foul. Penalty. Bonus shot lang yun ha. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 31. 31. Pass to number 22. 22. Pass to number 12. Libre. Tumingin pa. 20 seconds. Number 13. 15 seconds. Remaining time. Number 3. 10 seconds. Number 3. Pass to number 12. 4 seconds. 28. Ready boy, 25. Eight of the third quarter. Last quarter na po.
Quarter, tingin pa. Ano ba ano dyan?
Back to the ball game. Start na po natin ang fourth quarter. Bola po ng paun. Five, 1, 3. Bounce the ball. Wait lang, wait. Technical number 15. Not proper of jersey. Not wala. Number 15. Okay. Number 25. 25. Binali pa. Diba ba number 14? Kakaya number 25 ulit. 2 points to number 25. Nakagaling number 8. Number 8. Pass to 5-1-3. 5-1-3. Pass to number 14. Low post, number 14. Back of 5-1-3 sa 3. 3! Number 10. Number 10. Foul. 5-1-3. Third question na 5-1-3. Number 12. Number 8. Foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 12. 3-point. No good. Remember number 14. Pass to 5-1-3. 5-1-3. Set the play. Tumira na naman ng 3-point. No good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. Galit na galit. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 3-point. Yeah. Number 14. 2 points. Yeah. Number 14. Yung bench ko ng pang. Coach lang po yung nakatayo ha. Number 10. Pass to number 8. Nice to number 25. 25. Pass to number 5-1-3. Right. Number 12 foul. Ball shot. Bonus shot in number 5-1-3. Basket ang bonus shot. Number 22. Pass to number 16. Back to number 22. 22, pass to number 10. 10. Wala, ito ba number 25? 25. 25. Jelly line up. May number 25. 22. Pass to number 16. 16. Pass to number 22. Tumira na 3. No good, ito may number 65. Huh? Take the basket, may kasama pong foul. Number 5-1-3, warning for Radwin ka na. 4 ka na po. Nasulat na dito. Bonus shot. Basket. 3-point play. 5-1-3. 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Number 8, Relok, pass to 5-1-3. Number 25 sa 3, Galakabog. Number 10, rebound. Pass to number 12. Number 12, rebound by number 25. 25, pinasa ang bola sa labas. $22. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Number 10, pass to number 8. 3-point shot. Foul, number 10. Foul out ka na, number 10. Number 10, foul out ka na po. Yung bench pa ng pang, coach lang po yung nakatayo dyan ha. Last warning na yan ha. Number 8. Number 8. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 14, easy basket. Then number 14. Number 12. Goes over, number 12. Number 12. Number 8, pass to number 12. Number 12. Number 12, nagkakaroon mo sa pass to number 8. Tumira na 3 point. No good. Di po may number 25. Pass to 5-1-3. 5-1-3. 5-1-3. Pass to number 25. Lumayap na naman. Wala, rebound ka number 18. Number 18, nagagawa ng bola. Number 18, number 18, pass to number 16, pass to number 8, number 8, lumay up, no good, dito by. Foul ball. Pass to 25, titira yata pero pinasa kay number 8. Number 8, lay up, no good, dito mo number 16. 16, binababa ang bola, pass to number 12. 2 points for number 12. Number 8. Pass to 5-1-3. 5-1-3. 5-1-3. Goes over, pass to number 8, 3 points. 3 points by number 8. 22. Pass to number 16. 16. Number 8, 3 points. No good, dito by number 15. Pass to number 25. 25. Relax lang daw. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5-1-3. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 15. Festival. Number 15, apat ka na. Fourth personal foul ka na po. Foul, dalawang timeout nyo pa. Kanino daw po yung sasakyan ng kulay dilaw sa Jump Street? Nakikisuyo daw po yung coaching dilaw sa Jump Street. Kanino po yun? Yung coaching dilaw po sa may Jump Street, nakikisuyo po yung coaching kulay dilaw. Kanino pong coach yun? Yung kulay dilaw sa Jump Street. Nakikisuyo lang po. Number 9. Pass number 22. 22. Number 16. Libre. Si number 16 doon. 5-1-3. 5-1-3. 5-1-3. Namababa ng bola. 5-1-3. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 14. 14. Sumalaksak. Number 14. 2 points. Easy basket ka dyan. Kakain na. Number 23. 23. 23. Sumalaksak. 14. Dito pa number 16. Grabe nga bro. Ang taas ng gumala. 5-3. Pass to 25. Pass to 14. Di na baka mo pa. Kakain na. 5-3. Pagkote na po. Number 22. 22 na break. Pero wala. Nalibangin. 25. 25. Nagpapadali na naman si number 35. Number 35 sumalang sa kanan. Wala. Wala na lang ito. Paso number 16. 16. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 16 pa si number 9. Number 9. Pinasa sa wala. Pinasa na number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Paso number 3. Number 3. Paso number 95. 35. 35. Paso number 14. Parang nagkakabilang doon sa gilid. 22. Paso number 23. 23. 23. Nagawa ng bola. Number 8. Yeah, by number 8. Number 9. Paso number 22. 22. Number 22. Nagawa ng bola. Bungay, sumalpa. Grabe yun. Sinalpak ko sa net. Number 9. Paso number 23. 23. 23. Nagawa. Pasapa ka na. Paso number 15. Medalilla. Number 16. 23. Number 9. 16. 16. 16 na makatay. Sumalak siya. Bam! Number 15. Bagged out ka na rin ito. Pasok, pasok. Number 15, bagged out na po. Bagged out na po, bagged out. Number 15, bagged out na. Yung isa na technical game. Second row, basket. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Number 3. Number 3. 30 seconds to shoot. Number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. 7. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 3. And number 8. 40. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 22. 22. 22. Paso number 12. Paso number 9. Imira na 3. Wala. Alam mo na lang ito. Paso number 14. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 14. Basket na naman. One minute and 25 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter. Wala ng timeout, Anix 41. Paul, dalawa pa ang timeout nyo. Number 12. Number 12. Paso number 9. Paso number 22. Paso number 16. 16. Boom! Get the basket. 24. First personal foul. Bonus shot. Wala. Di ba may number 12? Paso number 3. Number 3. Paso number 8. 1 minute. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 50 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 points. Win number 18. 44 seconds. Table. 41 seconds. Number 9. Pumeke. Pass to number 22. 16. Pass to number 31 sa 3 point. No good. Rebound by number 12. 12 pa rin. Number 8. Wala na po. 17-7. Ball win. 27 points naman.
Ben.